Alright, I'm going to do a quick review on the fishing app I use the most. And I'm going to quickly go through it. It is FishBrain. And across the top right here, you have maps, and this is set up for around the world, so you can use it around the world, and you can zoom into your exact area. And if you pay for the premium setting, it would unlock all these positions you see up here. Next up, we have fishing forecast, and you can see I have all the lakes I fish here. I'll click on Keystone Lake. It shows you which direction the wind's from, the temperature right now, and sun or clouds, and then it tells you when the fish are going to be more active. And it also tells you what the #1 bait is over here, if there is one. Like you see flathead catfish, bluegill is the top bait. Channel cat, it's shad. So, largemouth bass, black spinnerbait. And this shows you a full 24 hours right here of what the weather will be. And then next, here, you can go here, and you could go find people to follow. You could connect with Facebook. You could also connect with your contacts in your phone. And then here, you can go down and select all the fish species you fish for. Down through here, and what's in your area. And then fishing methods, you could also pick whatever kind of fishing you do, like bottom fishing, bow fishing, fly fishing, free lining. You can go down through and just follow all these different kinds right here, and all the kinds you use. And then down here, these are just some of the most recent fish caught that have been posted to FishBrain. FishBrain is a lot like Facebook. And then here, this is where you would get notifications, like if someone follows you or comments on a picture you post, it will show up here. And then last but not least, it's your profile right here, and down here is all the pictures I've posted to FishBrain as well. And of course, right here is your main feed, starting with most recent. You can share videos, moments, see the premium. Right here will show you exactly where all the fish have been caught if you want to pay for it every month or pay for the year. But that just gives you a general idea. of one of the apps I use all the time. I get my fishing forecasts from here, and I always go check and see what people have been catching. Like right here's a brand new post right here. So I just wanted to do a quick video on, this is the main app I use for fishing, and I just wanted to pass that on to you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.